Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on the on-screen keyboard on MacBook Air M4. In order to do it, you just need to go to the settings, then go to accessibility. Now in accessibility, you just need to go to the keyboard. Then you can turn on accessibility keyboard. This is how it all looks. From now on, you can minimize it or maximize it, of course. You can use it normally. You also have the top buttons as well, like these brightness buttons. That's all. It just has all the functions that normal keyboard has. It has sticky keys on, so when you click on command, then you can click on like option, and this will create a shortcut. You can see they are sticky, so the shift is sticky as well. The option itself is sticky. Just works like a normal keyboard with sticky keys and inputs everything wherever you want it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.